Hello everyone, starting with taking a quick shower with Good Vibes Green Tea Toner after it gets fully absorbed into the skin, applying Point Light Moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated underneath makeup. Now, moving on to the L'Oreal Base Magic Primer for erasing any imperfection, filling in any large pores, fine lines and uneven texture. Moving on to brows, using L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit for filling up my brows. Starting with lining the brows using the powder provided in the kit, and after it filling in all the gaps by creating small hair strokes to give illusion of a full brow. And at last, setting them with the gel provided in the same kit. This will keep your brows set for the whole day long. For base, I am using L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte Liquid Foundation. It is a very lightweight and creamy foundation which goes on smooth with a demi matte finish. For blending it, I am using a damp sponge and blending it starting from the center of my face towards the jaw and hairline. Make sure to blend some foundation on your ears and neck too, so that it don't look different from your face. Also, make sure to blend in a proper manner using dabbing movement and not rubbing it all. Now, it's time to set up the base, for which I am using Sugar All Set to Go Translucent Powder. It sets the concealer and foundation very well without adding any color to it. Now moving on to eyes, applying this light brown color above the crease as a transition shade. Applying it with a very light hand and moving the brush as if creating a semicircle. To make this look very minimal and basic, I am applying this creamy matte white eyeshadow onto the crease. To add some shine to the eyes, I am using this Wet n Wild blush in shade Apricot as an eyeshadow and applying it on the white eyeshadow. Now I am applying same brown shade which I used as a transition shade on the lower lash line. Now curling my eyelashes using this eyelash curler. Now moving on to my favorite part, that is mascara. For today's look I am using this Faces Canada Magnetic Mascara, which is an amazing product. I totally love this mascara as it instantly makes your lashes look bigger and fuller. It is totally worth in investing this product and I recommend each and every person to buy this amazing mascara if they are planning to buy a new one. I love adding some warmth to my plain base, so I'm using this brown matte shade from the You Can Be's Pretty All Set kit and applying it with a very light hand below my cheek and jaw. Using the same Wet n Wild blusher in the shade Apricot and applying on my cheeks to get a fresh look. And for adding some glow to my face, I'm using this Maybelline holographic highlighter in the shade Opal and applying it on the high points of my cheeks, nose and on the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm using this in color lip pencil for lining my lips and also for filling them with the same pencil, as it helps in staying the lipstick for a longer period. For lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa Molten Matte in the shade 2C13. It's a very lightweight nude lipstick and I love this shade. At last, I'm applying this Pack Gold pencil in the shade Skin only on the outer corner of my waterline to make my eyes look more awake. And at last, finishing this look with spraying some makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. And here's the final look. Hope you all liked it and learned to get this simple look. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Love you all. Bye bye.